Hello, welcome for another video. For this video I fixed my mistake. As you can see in the previous video, I fixed this Z2DS Lite. When I press the bottom connector for the screen, it's working. I decided to use the hot air from behind to take off the screen connector, but I didn't notice there is a volume connector from the other side, so I melted. Let's see how to fix it. So I decided to use a big tip to desolder at the same time the both pins. But that was a mistake because I took out the pad with melted plastic. So we need to fix this line of motherboard, and I will use the jumper wire to fix that. Okay, now we put down the new connector and use again my solder iron to make the solder. To make the solder flow more easy, always use flux. As you can see, the left side of the volume connector is ready. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Okay, for now let's add more solder for the right side. As you can see in the moments when I used my solder iron, I took off and break the wire. We don't care because we are going to use jumper wire to make the connection again. Let's try the device now.